All right, guys, if you guys are enjoying the TA, if you guys are enjoying the charting here on the channel, I really encourage you guys to come over here if you haven't already and join up the Discord. In this video, I'm going to go over everything that the Discord has, everything that we offer over here inside of the channel. And this is honestly the place to be if you guys are looking to learn more about our strategy and just get connected with other like-minded investors. So the Discord is completely free to join. You guys get access immediately to the recruit area and also the onboarding area over here. So I'll go over the onboarding area first, but when you join, I really encourage you guys to go over here and read the server rules. This just kind of goes over the house rules and the server ranks and things like that. One important thing here is that I will never send you a friend request or DM you first. Okay, I'll never friend request you first. I'll never DM you first or ask you for money or cryptocurrency or anything. Just do not accept friend requests from anyone named Overkill or any DMs from me, because I will never DM you first. If you DM me, I will DM you back, but I will never send you a DM first. So there's a lot of imposters out there, so I just want to make that very clear. That's where I'd start, right there in the server rules. And then come on down here to the onboarding. So you should get a welcome message when you join that just says welcome. And again, beware of scammers, because there are a lot of people trying to pretend to be me and asking people for money and cryptocurrency. Right here in the trading tab, or in the trading apps tab, down here in the onboarding section, you could see everything that I use here. So the indicator that we talk about, the indicators, right, the red and green dots, the EMAs, the Fibonacci that we use here, which is the golden zones and the red zone and things like that. You guys can get access to that by clicking on this trading indicator tab right here. It takes a couple of clicks and literally everything loads directly into your TradingView account. Your screen will look exactly like my screen when you come over here and click this link again. It takes a couple of clicks. If you guys have questions or need help loading that in, there's my email right there. On top of that, I have a free trading course. I do not charge you guys for education. I try to put out all free content, right? I have a trading course of about 7 or 8 videos over here. You guys could learn how to utilize our strategy. Again, we're swing traders here. We're not day traders, okay? 95% of day traders fail. So going up against those odds, in my opinion, is just really stupid. We take a 1 to 6 month approach, meaning when we enter positions, we're looking to hold them for 1 to 6 months. In all these videos, we'll explain that strategy over here inside of the Discord. So that's under the trading course tab. Here's our trading rules. Again, this goes over our strategy. You guys will learn about this inside of the trading course there. And then obviously a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, all this is just for entertainment and educational purposes only. I'm just here to share information and gather information from you guys. Okay, the cool thing about the community is that we are all working together in conjunction. Okay, it's really boring to win alone. It's a lot better to win with people, and that's what it's all about. This channel is not about me. It's not about you. It's about the community. So that's the onboarding section down there. Go check those links out. And then in the trading apps tab, I use Coinbase and Robinhood to buy stocks and cryptocurrencies. And then TradingView is actually the tradingview.com here. So this is the website that we just used to look at charts. You guys can start an account by clicking on this link right here. That is my affiliate link. So if you want to use it, feel free. If not, it's just tradingview.com. You guys can check that out. But that's all in the trading apps tab. So that will have everything that I use, everything that I talk about here. So after that, again, Discord is free to join. When you join, you'll get access to the recruit area. So we have news here. This is pretty much breaking news as it happens. So we have some of the top Twitter accounts where we just funnel information over. And we have literally the fastest news that you can get out there. So that's just right there in the news section there. The latest tab here, this is going to have all the past live streams. So we go live every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You guys can watch all of these past live streams just by clicking on the latest tab. The replays of those will always be posted right there in the latest tab. And then we have the charts. These are just like short videos that I drop here on social media every day. I drop about 3 to 5 of these every day, just going over, setups that I think look good. Here's 2 stock breakout setups for May 28th, videos like that, right? Solana chart update. So you guys can get access to those in that chart section. The cheat sheet, you guys have probably heard me talk about this. This is the psychology of the market here. So Again, we try to master, right? We want to buy as close to that mean as possible. We never want to buy when everybody else is excited and talking about it. Okay, so come over here, take a look at this chart. Just look at it, right? Just study it. I look at this thing almost every single day and ask myself, hey, where are we in regards to the market right now? Are people like really excited? Are people saying XRP is going to go to 10,000 by the end of the year? Okay, we're probably up here in delusion territory, okay? If we just had a big dip like we just saw from January to April, we were in despair. Not a lot of people are excited anymore. Okay, this is typically the time to be buying when people aren't excited. If you're buying when everyone else is excited, okay, you're doing it wrong. So that's the cheat sheet there. And then support chat. Of course, you guys can ask questions over here, and I'm always answering all your guys' questions over here. And then the FAQ, these are just frequently asked questions. You guys can go read those here. A lot of people ask the same questions, so I went ahead and made a FAQ. So that's pretty much everything on the free version of the Discord. Now, if you guys want to become a member of the Discord, you guys can come here to the member area and click the Become a Member tab. And what that's going to get you access to is the trade alerts, the weekly watch lists, advanced market analysis, 24/7 trade support, member chat. I post all of my trades, all of my buys and sells over there. And I also do a chart request video for our members of the Discord. We also give away XRP and cryptocurrency as well. So what that looks like here is under the trade alert section. Once you become a member, you'll have access to this. So you guys have seen me talk about the golden dots, right? These are a great 1 to 6 month buy signal, right? A 1 to 6 month swing trade. You can see this one right here on ELF. This green or this golden dot right here. Okay, again, a 1 to 6 month signal. It's not a day trade. It's not a get rich quick signal, but those are called out. You can see this one was called out at $50 back there in April. It's now sitting all the way up here at 120. So that's a very, very good signal for a swing trade if you're willing to hold for 1 to 6 months. And those golden dots are called out over here inside of the Discord. Okay, we call all those out over here inside the Discord. So you guys get all those signals. We also call the daily alerts out. These are the red and green dots that we talk about here. These are called out on a daily basis. We have the weekly alerts called out from the indicator. These are the green and red dots on the weekly chart. And then the most accurate signals are going to be the monthly dots here. And those are also called out over here as well. I think we're going to get a flood of those here come June 2025. And then you get into the members area. Again, if you want to sign up and become a member to get access to those trade alerts, you just have to click this link right here. It's literally $4 a month if you guys pay for the year in full. I think we have actually around 2,000 members over there now, but you'll get access to chat. So we have stock chat, crypto chat, and general chat. That is pretty much all of our chats there for our members. You have to be a member in order to chat in the Discord. Again, we have around 2,000 like-minded investors over there. I drop a watch list every single Friday. We actually cover that on YouTube. You guys can go watch the latest replay right here. That was from May 23rd. That was last Friday. Every Friday, we're dropping a new watch list video, but I also share my watch list over here. So that's going to be the green list over here. Those are all the stocks and cryptocurrencies I'm looking at for the following week. It also has all the names that I am currently holding inside of my portfolio. You guys can literally just click on the link and pull up that watch list, and you guys can look at the charts for yourself over here on TradingView. So I can click on link. Okay, I can go to the chart, and I could look at the price action. I can look at the chart, see where it's at. So that's over there inside the watch list tab. We have a research tool. I'm not going to get into that, but that pretty much looks up what projects are. It will tell you what it is and tell you what it does. It'll tell you the market cap and things like that. Overkill alerts. These are my favorite setups. I post like 3 to 5 of these every single day. Okay, these are all my favorite setups that I get, that I see on my charts. I check the charts every day, and I post the signals that I think look really good. Okay, because not every green dot is a buy signal. Not every red dot is a sell signal. So I pick out, those are my hand-picked. Those are my hand-picked setups over here. So, and then Overkill trades, these are my trades. So these are the names. These are, I tell you guys exactly when and where I buy and when and where I sell over here. And then Spartan trades, these are our members. These are our members' trades. They share their wins, their losses, so on and so forth. That's under the Spartan trade section. Then you have the chart request section here. So the chart request section, I just added this back in, but every Monday, we go through this thread. You can drop your chart request down here, and I cover them live on Monday's stream. You can see Monday coming up there at 4 p.m. We will be taking those from the chat. There isn't any right now because the chat thread is closed. I open that on Sunday, so you'll be able to get all your charts covered in that section. And last but not least, we have a giveaway section. This is where I give away XRP. See, I gave away 100 XRP last week, and you guys can get in on those giveaways right over there when you are a member. Hope this helps. If you guys got any questions, feel free to reach out.